Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, yesterday we had a pretty sharp sell-off, especially in the beans and wheat. I think the market in the beans was concerned about talk about beans coming into the United States and even meal coming into the southeast part of the United States from Argentina. Over in the wheat, I think the market's looking ahead at possible rain shower activity that could move into the southern plains, and that could help wheat conditions there. Overnight, we're up a little bit. Old crop beans are up. I think the market is trying to, again, value the difference between U.S. tight old crop supply and the fact that in South America and in the U.S., 2014 supplies might grow, and that also China might be taking a few less beans than what the market was looking for. Also, in the corn market, corn plantings were less than what the market was hoping for. Only 6% of the crop is planted. They were hoping 9 to 10. I think a little bit more corn is planted than that, but I think when you look at the northern third of the United States, we expect some very cold temperatures over the next few days across that area, and I think farmers there are waiting for things to warm up before they plant the corn. Also, we might have some shower activity that goes across the southern half of the United States, could slow plantings there. So we're still behind average as far as corn planting is concerned, but the 8 to 14 day maps show warmer and drier conditions, and we should catch up during that time frame if that actually happens. We also note that there was a lot of USDA data overnight besides the corn planting pace. Oat planting is only 10% done. Usually we're half done by now. And they did also lower the winter wheat ratings another 1%, to 34% good to excellent. Some people hope that these rains might help that overall rating, especially moving the big percentage of the crop that's poor to very poor a little bit out of that category. Yesterday's trading was down also because of talk that Barclays is getting out of the commodity trading business, including the eggs. And I think that affected the market, wondering, are they going to liquidate their positions? And then what does that mean for the overall temperament of trading commodities down the road? Finally, Stats Canada will be out Thursday. They're going to be estimating their 2014 acres by crop. Most people look for a little bit lower spring wheat and corn plantings, a little bit higher soybean and rapeseed plantings. Again, overall, the markets are watching economic news out of China, U.S., any news out of Ukraine, and U.S. weather conditions for directions over the next 30 days. I still think the old crop beans are okay. I think we've got a problem that we haven't solved yet. I think new crop beans and corn should go lower, assuming normal weather, and the wheat market's going to be very choppy in a wide trading range depending upon the size of the U.S. and world crops. Down the road, the wheat prices are too high if world 2014 crops are okay. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM and ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
That's his favorite place. He was at the football game last night.